NHL hockey is back in Colorado with the Avalanche finally holding their home opener tonight at the Pepsi Center.
News 5 Sports Matt Prichard at the game tonight, but before the first puck dropped, he caught up with some very excited fans.
Hope springs eternal in October.
I think the team this year is different.
Honestly, we look pretty good, but you know, you gotta wait till at least mid-season.
And I hope they really win.
Even with the memories of last year fresh in the heads of Avalanche fans.
Cleveland Browns bad.
Cleveland Browns bad. Well put. Yup, it was that bad. 22, 56, and 4. But that's in the past, and fans were ready to give their boys a hero's homecoming Wednesday.
It's our first time being season ticket holders, but watching them on TV the first 3 games, it's been awesome.
I can't Yakupov. I can't pronounce his last name. But I think we're going to do really good this year.
But let's keep things in perspective. This can't be a playoff contender, right? So you think a change has to happen?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
This team isn't going to win the Stanley Cup.
Not this year, but hey, the next 3-4 years, watch out.
Others, though, say otherwise.
And I hope they get to the Stanley Cup.
Really? You think they're going to win the Stanley Cup?
Yes, sir.
Take it to the bank and start saving up for those cup tickets, folks. It looks like the Avs are headed for a long playoff run. Matt Prichard, News 5 Sports.
Hope springs eternal in October. Great to see hockey back, and of course, fans are optimistic and happy.
We love that.
Yeah.
Grant will have highlights. The game's still going on later in sports.